Hello everybody, getting ready to do lesson 7.8 part 3, pre-calculus math today. And part 3, 7.8, applications of matrices and determinants. You have 2 points here in your notebook, and you have 12 points here in your class worksheet. And for today's lesson, page 1, that will go into your notebook. For those who do not know the encoding matrix A, decoding the cryptogram found in example 7 is difficult, but for an authorized receiver who knows the encoding matrix of matrix A, the decoding is simple. The receiver need only multiply the coded row matrices by the inverse of A on the right to retrieve the uncoded row matrices. Here's an example. This is your code, this is your inverse of A, and this spits out your uncoded message there. So let's try one. Example 8, decoding a message. So use the inverse of this matrix here to decode the cryptogram here. So to decode this, what's our first step here? First, find the decoding matrix inverse A by using the techniques demonstrated in section 7.6. Next, partition the message into groups of 3 to form the coded matrices. And then multiply each coded row matrix by the inverse of A. So, okay, that sounds like a plan. So our coded matrix here would be, here's our coded matrix, 13, negative 26, 21. Here's our decoding inverse A, and then here's our decode. Here is our decoded matrix here. So we move from here to here. From our first coded matrix, row matrix there, our next one is this one here. So we move this through this to get to that. And then our next one is here, 18, negative 23, negative 42, through our inverse A, and then we end up with our row matrix there. So, I think we got one more. So 5, negative 20, 56, move through this through here, and then we get to there, 5, 14, 4. No, we got one more, negative 24, 23, 77. Which we move through here to get to there. Once we have that, we end up with these here, our row matrices. What does that say? Meet me Monday. So that would be the way that you would decode a matrix. Let's try one now. Use inverse A to decode the cryptogram. Here's A, and here's our cryptogram here. So we need to first, what do we need to do? We need to find the inverse of A. This is our inverse A over here. And then students, I'm going to let you do the rest of it. So cite your classwork and come up with your solution here. And that is your 7.8 part 3 pre-calculus math. Here's my email, animatedpowerpointmathvideo, AOL.com, for class worksheets, homework sheets, solution PowerPoints, etc. Thank you very much.